This is a Varmilo VA108 full-size mechanical keyboard. Got this off Massdrop. Ordered it probably about a month and a half ago. Just came just a couple days ago. So this one is the dark gray case with Gateron brown switches and the light gray PBT keycaps. So these are the Gateron switches in here, and there's also some LEDs. I think I paid an extra, I don't know, $6 or something to add LEDs. They don't shine through the keycaps, obviously, because they're not shine through keycaps, but they're there. You can turn them on and off. Construction wise, this thing it's actually really heavy for a keyboard, much heavier than anything else that I have right now. One thing on the newer models they changed is they moved the logo from the front to the back, and some people weren't happy with that font on the front of the keyboard, so now it's on the back. You don't have to look at it if you don't want to. And everything else, as you would expect, full-size keyboard looks good. Got a braided cable here, pretty nice. Really solid feeling. Typing sounds real good. I'll do a typing test here in a second, and you'll be able to kind of see what that sounds like.